Hello everyone, I am Kumar. We all love Amway and we know Amway started in 1959 by G.N. Rich with just one home care product which was known as Frisk during that time and is our all-time favorite today's LOC multi-purpose cleaner. And continuing with the legacy of Amway Home for more than 60 years now, I am super duper excited today to launch Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash. It's 5-in-1 fruit and vegetable cleaning solution made with naturally derived cleansing agent, scientifically lab tested to remove pesticides, waxes, heavy metals, germs from the surface of fruits and vegetables and cereals without leaving any residue. We all know about the various health hazards that are there if we don't properly clean our fruits and vegetables after we buy them from the market and bring them home. Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash is a product which is scientifically lab tested to effectively remove germs, pesticides, waxes, heavy metals, dirt and dust from the surface of not only fruits and vegetables but also cereals. Whenever we talk about any Amway Home product, we always talk about the safety of the ingredients being used to make the product. Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash is no exception. It is a product which is very effective, but it does not contain any added chlorine, bleach, alcohol, artificial color or animal-based ingredients. Another very important thing that you might think after washing your fruits and vegetables and cereals is that does any residue of the product remain after I wash them? The answer is Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash do not leave any residue. So you can be absolutely sure about that. Now let us come to usage. Whenever it is a new product, everybody has a single question in mind: is it easy to use? Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash is super easy to use. All you need to do is just add 5 ml of Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash in 1 liter water, soak uncut and unpeeled fruits and vegetable for just 10 minutes, rub them well with hands and wash them under running water 2 to 3 times. Just remember, as per recommendation, wash only uncut and unpeeled fruits and vegetable, and this product is not for washing mushrooms. Want to see the usage? Here you go. Now, coming to the price and cost per use. Whenever we talk about any Amway Home product, we always talk about its low cost per use. Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash is no exception. In fact, the price of the product is very competitive. It comes in an attractive 500 ml bottle and the price of the same is just Rs 249. Since you require to mix only 5 ml in 1 liter water, hence a bottle can give you up to 100 washes and the cost per use can be as low as only Rs 2.49. Yes, you heard that right, only Rs 2.49. And that's why we say the price of the product is very competitive. For the launch, we will be coming up with some interesting marketing assets and campaign. Let me share a few glimpses of the same. I'm sure you are super duper excited with this product as much I am. So let's get geared up for the biggest launch of the year, Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash.
To add more excitement to the evening, we have Chef Sanjay with us to share his experience with Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash. So let's go to Sanjay's kitchen and see what he has in store for all of us.
Hi guys, let's make a salad today, a very simple salad, not too much of fun and floric in it. My problem with salads and fruits has always been that cleaning it, the earth which is there, the little dirt which is there, heavy metals, pesticides on the surface of the fruit, on the surface of the vegetables has always been a problem. But with this new Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash, life is really become simple for me. It cleans up everything on the top. The surface is nice and clean. I'm not so scared now for my family's health or mine. So let's start making that salad. This is a very simple salad. I'm going to keep it simple. A little bit of red capsicum or red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper or yellow capsicum, green capsicum, and very healthy cucumber जिसको मैंने कद्दूकस कर लिया. I have grated it. Okay, I like the juices that come out. Mooli is in season now. White radish is in season. This is white radish. अगर आपको चाहिए, you can use red radish also. अच्छा, notice one thing. I am not mixing it. I am just layering it. You can mix it later. Just giving it a nice layer. Now here I will have to use my hands. A little bit of iceberg, lettuce, and a little cleanup. Now if you notice, I have taken the parsley and I have not chopped it very small. I have kept it nice and chunky with this little dandi also. This is very tasty. The dandi of this is extremely tasty. A little bit of red, which is the gajar, nicely sprinkled on top. This is also grated. And like I said, I am layering this. I have a bowl of dahi which is there. In this goes a little salt, a little pepper, maple syrup or honey, whatever you like. You can also add a little olive oil to this. We are avoiding oil. And this becomes your dip, or this becomes your dressing, whatever you may like to call it. Here comes my salad. Maple and yogurt dressing. Maple syrup is normally used with pancakes. I like to use it like this also. Now, up to you whether you want to serve this separately, add it on top like I am doing it. Any which way it works perfectly.